Hey, it's Ryan from UpfitSupply.com. I want to show you this new floor from Legend Fleet Solutions. It's called the BaseAir. It's a rigid composite floor that installs in about 5 minutes. Now they've designed this with what they call the FoldFlex Technology, which essentially means it folds in 3 or tri-fold floor, if you will. Ships in the box, folded in 3s. You just unfold it and you got a solid one-piece floor from front to back in the van. There's no transition strips or anything like that for you to trip over. Now this is going to be Legend's economy line rigid floor. Of course, you may know the stability grip floor, which is kind of the top of the line, 1/2 inch thick composite floor that can withstand pretty much anything you throw at it. This is going to be on that lower end. It's still a rigid floor, still a solid surface. There's no ribbing in the van that you're going to feel underneath it, no tripping hazards or anything like that, but it's only about 0.38 inches thick, and it's made with a polypropylene material. So it's basically 2 sheets of plastic with a central fluted core, similar to how they design their wall liners and ceiling liners and so on, but just a little bit thicker, a little bit more durable. Now this floor does include some aluminum thresholds for your rear and side doors. It's essentially just a aluminum C-channel that clips on the side of the floor to really protect the floor so you're not chipping away at that top layer and getting to unpeel and damage as you come in and out of the van. Now some of the primary trays that are going to use this floor are going to be like last mile delivery or utility services or some of those low impact jobs. If you're doing pallets or heavy equipment and things like that, you're going to want to go with the stability grip floor just because it can handle those loads and the impact and so on and so forth. But if you have limited impact on the floor, this is going to be a great option for you. So if you're looking for an easy to install rigid floor from Legend for your ProMaster, Transit, or Sprinter, be sure to check us out, UpfitSupply.com. We've got all you need. Yeah, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.